Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a stunning example of a Range Rover Velar in stock. Now this one in particular is fantastic specification. It is the Dynamic HSE. Now Dynamic, of course, gives us that more aggressive looking bumper on the car with a burnished copper accent. Zadar Grey is the metallic colour that this car is finished in. So not a colour that you actually see every day. It's very close to one of our other metallics, but I think looks absolutely stunning, particularly on Range Rover Velar. Now coming round to the side, matching with those grey accents on the lettering and grille, we do have some beautiful satin dark grey alloy wheels on this vehicle. Burnished copper accent, of course, follows us right round the car. Deployable door handles, signature to the Range Rover Velar. Power folding wing mirrors, blind spot monitoring, and we've even got privacy glass, which looks to be fitted from the factory. Coming round to the rear, we do have a powered electric tailgate. Now, lots of boot space, nothing is actually lost by it being a plug-in hybrid, unlike some of our other models. But of course, it is an approved plug-in hybrid, so it will come complete with a charging cable, mats in there as well. And looking underneath that boot floor, we've even got our tyre inflation kit in there. Of course, we can just press the button to close that boot up, and looking on the inside of this car, we do have a full ebony leather with no clear signs of wear and tear. Lots of space in the rear for the rear occupants in the vehicle, as well as some additional USB Type-C points to keep everybody connected. But looking into the front, again, the continuation of the fantastic condition of this leather. Again, with it being a HSE, we've actually got extra adjustments as opposed to the standard specifications. Lumbar support, bolster support, memory functionality as well. Really handy if we do have multiple people hopping in and out the car. Huge digital dashboard, 16,625 miles. Heated steering wheel, that is an electrically adjustable steering wheel as well. Keyless entry, keyless start stop. And of course a huge infotainment system, and it is one of the newer model years of Range Rover Velar, so we've gone away with the dials. Everything is really easy to use on this screen, as simple as swiping up and down for our temperatures, and it is dual zone climate control, heated seats on the car as well. And I find this infotainment system really easy to use. You can get anywhere within 3 clicks, navigation, media functionality, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, rear view camera which will pop up on there as well. And between the two front seats we do have a rear view camera. We've got wireless device charging, I've already mentioned that. Type-C. Of course, it is an automatic vehicle, twin cup holders, storage space between the two front seats, and finally looking up ahead, not only do we have a glass roof, it is actually a sliding glass panoramic roof. So it lets that light in, particularly with the darker interior, makes the car feel even bigger than it already is, but nevertheless a really nice bit of specification. But if you do have any further questions on this car, or would like any more information, we very much recommend for you to book an appointment to come and drive the vehicle. My name is Sam. You can contact me on 01642 644 444. Thank you.